The red howler monkey, Alouatta seniculus, is a species of primate native to the rainforests of South America, primarily found in countries like Brazil, Colombia, and Venezuela. Known for its distinctive reddish fur, this monkey has a prehensile tail, which helps it navigate the treetops. Red howlers are famous for their loud, booming calls, which can be heard over long distances, helping them communicate and mark their territory. They are primarily herbivores, feeding on leaves, fruits, and flowers. Though not currently endangered, their populations face threats from habitat destruction and deforestation. Conservation efforts aim to protect their habitats,